Alright to people. From dance to dance. So you don't know, last night was Black Colors. Today a Krazy Dawg anniversary and Soundfest. So couple sound reach already. The great electro force. There, them blue box are right there so. And you have super strong right there so. And duck box there. And you have Reggae King right there so. Couple of sound them King Force there. You see me? So people want to support that thing, support that channel. You see me I say to the fullest, because you see we are putting in the work. We are putting in the work for them. So Krazy Dawg Soundfest and anniversary. That's what we did today. Yeah. That's a great sound there. I couldn't see what I go on. It's super strong. Yeah. And Japan alone you want to go? Eh? Worldwide you talk about. Yeah. A great electro forces. Yeah. So you know you say electro force upon the dance and feel like a song them like your soul, eh? Yeah. Eat this. So people, 5 sound there already. King Force there, Krazy Dawg there, super strong there, Electro Force there. Great Reggae King there too. You see me? DUNRICH no reach yet. Interceptor no reach yet. XCLUSIVE no reach yet. DUNRICH no reach yet. Yeah. Super strong this. Super strong. Reggae King. Reggae King put up 2 columns right there so. And you have 1 column over there so. So we're there from early, so we just go on an early run through. I couldn't see what going on, you see me? Yeah man. So we're there people, Krazy Dawg anniversary and Soundfest.
Make it work. 10 pound good.
Alex, kamu malah gini atas. Kamu mau minta puan. Lagi nih puan. Hah?
Mobay. I saw them there effect in dynamite. Me say dynamite now come. I don't know. Can't comment the reason, but me say that exclusive out the road out there, so Interceptor uppercut and that's how I DUNRICH uppercut. You know? Yeah, so exclusive up on the front there, so yeah. And then so when I took them off a come out to him coming and stuff. Yeah. And then great Bobby Kevin up so I go and set up team, you know? Yeah. ELECTRO force. Right now, King force at the start.
Turn it up.
Sound man, you know me man. No sound man. Oh, I tell you something, I play with the sound already, but you know me. Yeah. And when I come to Black Magic anniversary, I used to play a blue and white sound and a real man. And I used to play that sound. Yeah man, come play with it already. Yeah? Yeah man, I used to play a real man. Yeah man, Black Magic, yeah man. Yeah man. Yeah man. Come on up, rough cook that play. Yeah man, I'm used to play man. Yeah man. Yeah man.
Nobody no touch, no good. Very commercial,
Interceptor killer son in the place. Yeah, yeah. I want you in paradise when Interceptor king for the people that noise. Now there's a someone acting right again and I am over here, over there.
Shoot on the center, and then press right. Your mother say we loyal. Don't fuck around. And Interceptor sound like them are the most not talking yet. Then we run for the king and his grace. It's a glory. Don't mess around. Interceptor sound is devastating, and we work. Interceptor on a turn. Hey, get them sound boy, they burn away the wicked profile. I'm the jump and image, I'm the jump and I'm the lifestyle. I'm so happy to be after all I strive. Then we overcome the jump and with just the standing in the cemetery. You're the Interceptor boy. Now of woman, you will provide. Tough talk, set them can't bury. Anyway, you this type of signal your face look up, boy, with the ordinary. Yeah, you me a cinematic 45 boy with dead boy. Interceptor sound, a pain and sorrow. Chris Royal shut out them brain and marrow. Oh, you feel run up in a fire bird play. a must cocaine and swallow. Travis and straight like arrow. Idiot give them a grave with shallow. Oh, you feel run up in a bad man place. Interceptor sound. Rifle turn on every sound I look somewhere fi run go. Fuck up interceptor in a war. Yes, so them a carry them gun go. Other some group up, gonna run come though. Lick just slap off a dozen of your hunger. Trigger press, running good just a jump so. 45 them now hunt up fi come jo. Intercept, Chris Royal. Give me some man intercept the sound, bad your bad. One, need gonna squeeze for everybody. I want them one together anyway. Only problem, only suspension. Yo, you mess with the man intercept the sound, yo, Chris Royal. Them not kill nobody. Just a life, put it up in life. And full like happy eyes. Put the shot inside, shadow break. But I drop it like better watch it high. Can't this intercept now with your pussy appetite. Pull up, them a knock it right at the traffic light. Ready, chopping at the gear, chopping at the night. Them sound they on the bad when them a chatting at the mic. Every bus, every label, step when I drop it at your child. Sniper flash on for the bike. Head like on for the bike. Sound man a child wake him but it no look right. Them shake him just a few white. Them jump and a lock from is not a good fight. Interceptor sound must a win fight. We never stop bad boy when you feel like 45 a kill them sound ya and put them in the freezer. Interceptor.
Hey, so why you sick? You must want fencing. Now here comes the missile is coming from out of Interceptor's cocoa basket. Diddly bum sound, right? Diddly bum sound, kill it out, kill boom shot. Let me tell you about the sound I know. Interceptor one you kill so. Now in the morning when the sun comes up, you bring a robot up until you have become and I know. Oh yes I know. Wow! Interceptor so you kill so. Boom! Diddly bum sound, boom shot. Diddly bum sound, kill it out, kill it right. Beyond the mountain there lies a valley. Beyond the valley there lies a sea. Beyond the sea interceptor praise for we. Interceptor bring a rope and don't pay you and me. And I know, oh yes I know. Interceptor so you keep so right. Diddly bum sound, boom shot. Diddly bum sound, chill about it right. Now in the evening when I'm all alone, promote upon me on my telephone. Before I go to promo 1, 2, 4, interceptor finger up and over by the score. And I know, oh yes I know. Interceptor so you kill so. Interceptor so you kill so. La, you never move one of the rich and could have chant. You never move one for a rich and could have chant. We'll try to interceptor one day and slow it down. We'll try to make you walk, we'll try to make you talk. Just to make you safer from all we got. Listen, interceptor, we not put that on the law. We not just a so boy have to reach out the law. Murder them! Intercept the sound. It might be killing sound. Pull up.
In the dancehall, you should have known. Exclusive sound, well explosive. Stick to the point, so general. Exclusive sound and general. We no gonna sound boy mineral. Sting on the hanging point, general. Exclusive sound and general. General no gonna sound trivial. Sting on the point.
Yeah. 1, 2, hey, if you have a voice, tell her that already. I have a system that call me flow. So put up here, let go. Alright, one will look at it on the song. And my voice, the A, might be your MC, so different from me. See? Alright, let me use Krazy Dawg microphone and swag on this. Now you it go work. See, exclusive. What are you going to do? See, Krazy Dawg go play. And he go play 20 minutes. See, and then he go reach back to Uno. Because we don't want to get it mixed up, so I want to write down the line. See, 20, alright, 15 minutes for Krazy Dawg. A mighty King Force, him beat him. See, and then exclusive. Then mighty King Force. You know man, hold on man, just hear me and say man, just see it. You know, the generator of forward field, Reggae King, and Electro Force. So you go skip them out, and we are good on DUNRICH, and then after DUNRICH, we have Super Strong, and then Interceptor. We have pieces, no forward yet, they might get them song, see, and then you have Unruly, Stumpy, see, them go forward later. So it a go mad, yeah, so like you, yeah, so like I made that, see, hey, and you hang me out. I can't left me, I never hang myself. So I don't want to make you hang me. I want to go on now. See, in the forward. Michael Laggy. It's like I usually tie out goat the boy. See, but you hear me now? People out that Father Strand, you can't park in there, so bro. Go on out there, so man. I want you, everybody have vehicle. Lift up.
Yeah.
What do you man? See?
Yeah, man.
Yo, hey Indian boy. Relax yourself now. What do you?
Who say you're Indian too?
That Indian too. Don't pit off on me, you. See? Hear me now?
Are you first or dead enough?
Big up.
You kill your first.
Father Strand, big up yourself.
Oh, you're there, Viper.
Just a forward, sound Viper man. There's some green shirt. See? Alright. See, hey, watch the lick, hey, watch the drink business though by console them, brother. What do you? Yo, you are going now. No disrespect. If you are not the selector or the engineer, clear the stage, man. Please and thanks. No disrespect. See, yeah. Maybe not he gone sleep. Man gone sleep. Must say man at 67, you know. You young like you know. What do you? See, so, alright, let me test it. Krazy Dawg microphone.
Yeah.
Yo. Alright, exclusive. As I just tell her it's going to work. See, hey, let me hear a little tweet out of you. See, and man just who call my brother, you know, so I just a forward. And I do want to look at one thing. See, let me be here. Let me be here. Done already. Joke, not joke. Color! Come on, ice up the sun, man. So we reach the ice. Oh no, dapper guy ready. Pick up the video man there, you know. See? Yo, the man, the ice on this song.
Krazy Dawg sound.
Yeah.
This is Duke Shadows, a message representing for the Krazy Dawg sound that run the town and anything that's get show down.
Yo.
Booker, Chris J, Hyperton, Perry, Bojo, Callum, and Angel. Run it! The message that the cabal is anything that's get knocked out. Krazy Dawg sound. Krazy Dawg sound play. Oh yes. Some doesn't cry, yes. Broken hearted sound boys, turning in the day and soul. A disappointed sound boy, who tests the Krazy Dawg and fall. After so many doubts, Krazy Dawg sound plays. Some boys living in fear, wondering if and when he's gonna disappear. Whoa, guess what's happening? Krazy Dawg sound playing. Watch the massive and railing. Some boys have to flee. How could life be so unfair? They wonder how book I reached there. Sitting in this easy chair, while someone is in deepest
Yeah, I'm a Krazy Dawg.
Big bad crazy dog. Big bad crazy dog. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I look at me, say them dead already. Crazy dog, they are just sit down safety. I look at me, say them dead already. Crazy dog, they are just sit down safety. Mother and father.
Yeah, man, say Krazy Dawg, you don't know what this guy say.
Mother and father. Blessed is the son boy we have his own. So I know that we set them dead already. The champion, they are just sit down steady. I know that we set them dead already.
Yeah, man, say Krazy Dawg, you don't know what this guy say.
Yeah, talk about the
Yeah, I'm a Krazy Dawg.
you must have the wrong. You can't talk about the crazy. If you must have the let me say that.
Bring it down to number one, yes. And then me can't take the blum blum, rat-a-ta-ta, lam lam. Who got the maco killer that a jump on? Can't take the blum blum, rat-a-ta-ta, lam lam. The bloody maco killer that a jump on. There is too much blabbering going on.
I pattern the real big man, and if you know some boot, you know, put gunshots at boy. Hey, fire gun thing. They go, sit here, boy. You are the devil in you, we are good devil in you.
Yeah, man, say Krazy Dawg, you don't know what this guy say.
Devil with you, Glock 40 boss and video. Feeling like Krazy Dawg crew, gunshot boss in street harmony. I pattern just bring out the gun. Bring out the gun, bring out all the gun. For we tell our son boy say.
Listen, I say send the boy them low.
Yeah, man, say
Listen, I say
Krazy Dawg,
big
you don't know what
45
this guy say.
low. Some boy for now, cause them know. Hard time, you know. Them things spoil. That nice show. Shut. Big gun man rise, boy, to make no noise. This Krazy Dawg gonna get the shot between the eyes. Like the panda, like the faucet, just a rear. Them get gunshot to the brain. Cha-cha-cha-cha. Centuries, you know I instant it. Use a blunt blunt, just in you, you poop on it. Use a dirt plate, you chop, select 10 of them. Them get gunshot to them. Tell them Krazy Dawg, say when I sit down now. Equal reason problem. Krazy Dawg got blame. Worries and problem. Worries and problem. Krazy Dawg a murder some boy tonight. No matter how some sound a book and a buy.
Yeah, man, say Krazy Dawg, you
Said
don't know
I
what
must
this guy
lose
say.
their life. Worries and problem. Krazy Dawg a kill some boy tonight. We see a sound around a big for them life. We said that was lose their
Yeah, man,
life.
say Krazy Dawg, you
Krazy
don't know what
Dawg,
this guy say.
as far as my eyes can see, some sound wanna play good selection. Oh gosh, oh Lord, Krazy Dawg a murder bro. Oh gosh, oh Lord, with them. Krazy Dawg, you know, go and send them. You know, you know, through the conquer them. The one of them crazy full of shit. Me say that and younger them. Billy Wanga them. Now go dance at them. Out the sea, you know, to keep them single longer them. The dog, you know, go and send them. You know, you know, through the conquer them. The one of them crazy full of shit. Me say that and younger them. Billy Wanga them. Yo, oh, the sound boy, that's a fucking Krazy Dawg. Watch how beat him like him cream Philip. Beat the boy here, there. And every fucking weird. And now coming out in yard and we're beating him and him still craving for more.
What's it gonna make the noise of Krazy Dawg sound?
Krazy Dawg a murder bro. Oh gosh, oh Lord. With them Crazy dog, you don't go answer them. You know you not true to conquer them. The whole of them brains is full of shit. Music said that younger them. Really want got them. Now go sponsor them. Out the sea, you know to leave them sing and anchor them. The dog, you not go answer them. You know you not true to conquer them. The whole of them brains is full of shit. Music said that younger them. Really want got them. Now go sponsor them. Out the sea, you know to leave. Oh gosh now. Your eyes are open this morning. The time to see the rising sun. Oh gosh. Even when it's dawning, Krazy Dawg go play another dog number one. As the time is so very close, and the sound of flashing gets so dangerous. In this time we see those some boys who close. Krazy Dawg.
I got the stalkers, sexy mania, running on the dance. I Krazy Dawg sound. I've a stalkers, sexy mania, running on the dance.
What's gonna make them know it's a Krazy Dawg sound?
Do cut down the college tree, cause it make the best tea for me. I've heard some boys say it is naturally. One thing a some boy need, no it. I'm in to survive and go through. In a descendants I say, Krazy Dawg, I walk them, jump them, move them, groove them, scoop them, rule them. We have the strong conception mania, holding on your hands, coming down. Of the strong conception mania, holding on your hands.
Ganja, we smoking, we no want no coke. From some from the boat. Them want them most a joke. Want the whole of them and string them up with rope. But all the fussy them start to choke. I grade this life, you know it is rain.
What's gonna make them know it's a Krazy Dawg sound?
Feeling I feel, you know the century now is my favorite meal. Well, forget and get copper and steel. Cause we are earthman, can't you understand? To hundred guys, you come from Westmoreland. What time about me, youngest, I'm a slipping on me.
Oh Lord, for the roots of creation, who got get locked up down a station, facing the tribulation. My Lord, what isolation, hey, for the healing of the nation. Them trying to mess up my meditation. I said it is a wicked situation. Take it to the Krazy Dawg selection, yeah. And easy officer, wanna leave here now. King say a food for the dance. Don't you disturb. Mention this, meditate like Solomon and King David. Hold up a princess, hold up a queen. Krazy Dawg, them go play with. Child one meditate like Solomon and King David. King Krazy Dawg, sound the praises. Alright, fresh air, make me cough. Give me the one, them wake you up. To the one BDs, and the one cigarette. No one roll up, give me grab a one box of bar and another cup load up. Krazy Dawg got 1,000 cup. Police start pull me over, live like fast and live furious. Never know, say, Krazy Dawg so serious. Leave them march and they shout. When Krazy Dawg who's on it, bury, jealous, hands down. Them can't get me out. You with the ganja man them there. Krazy Dawg with the ganja man them there. Lord of mercy. Chicks the king I sing. Give me the word. Call ganja word. Father Bunny UNKNOW and murder the word free. Give me the word. Consent the word. Ganja me born. Krazy Dawg, cause ganja the healing of the nation. Ganja was found and the grave of King Solomon, then test and pass. So your thirst plus Dr. Man. I saw me no eat and we chow tradition. When I will walk through the valley, then they run through the swamp. Now stop the move on until we reach the wheel and listen. Krazy Dawg, them on the world champion. And just to get a chance on the top of money from oil. Give word the word, on ganja word. Father burn it down. Krazy Dawg sound. Give word the word, good sense the word. Ganja must pour me all like yes. Boy, and the upper class, the lower class, we all burn the word ganja. Slow boys with the bother mention police. Lion dancers and Indian and chief. Turn today, you can't have to believe his speech much. Krazy Dawg, the pan the rubber down plate. We style like a disco, get the muscle. I want you dashing through the massive bread, the dashing through the snow. So no people know it, Banty go bang. Just
I'ma say it's all about the world greatest sound man scene, Krazy Dawg sound with Mojo. Yeah man, Boca saying you don't know in a hyperton color. Yeah man, Perry Enzo, Chris J. No time to play. Yeah man, hey Chuck, bust it off no man, the big tune there and the big sound there, man, and all laughing at Krazy Dawg sound man, all of them man. All them clown man. Let it go upon them the Krazy Dawg. Chuck, all of them man, they know so the boys different from the man, so the thing tunnel. Big sound.
Krazy Dawg gonna kill them some tonight. Make you jump and sound like it right now.
Say
Krazy Dawg gonna kill them some tonight. Come bury them and then cover them night. Krazy Dawg gonna murder the whole of them. Because we not beg nothing from Booyah to half.
I hear you see them
sound of like so they jump back like the half. I'm not jump on myself.
Hear a lot of sound boys.
Calm down. Hey, fella. Calm down, Krazy Dawg. And the energy.
Exclusive sound. It's the killing sound of play. Exclusive, I'm gonna murder you. Big bad sound of play. Exclusive, I'm gonna slaughter your jumper. Exclusive, can kill your sound anytime they want.
Exclusive sound with the big sound fit out feel sale. Silver Finger, Stace O'Geary, Sharpman, Damian, Chris, Squidley. Who goes? Everton Blendon Toes, River King Selassie goes and one follows. Yeah, yeah.
Exclusive is a sound. Righteous sound. Exclusive wanting to stand. Yet a righteous sound is so hard to find. So I wonder who's gonna stop this war and crime. Boy, I hope you have some boys can do things on their own. Yes, they have to wait till exclusives can come out. Yes, you want to learn, then you will learn. But you're no one knows I'm not tonight, 'cause you are playing. Them a run come, them a run come. I see them a come. Them a run come, can't play like exclusive. Do anything to be a fan club member. No sound is willing and able. Can't spin like exclusive, turntable in my run. Come, can't play like exclusive. Do anything to be a fan club member. No sound is willing and able. Can't spin like exclusive, turntable. Back in those days they used to call me Boomeroo. Shirt the heel and me never have no shoe. I pray to Jah for a brighter view. I'm janking with the exclusive crew in my run. Come, can't play like exclusive. Do anything to be a fan club member. No sound is willing and able. Can't spin like exclusive turntable. Exclusive is a A1 sound. A A1 sound, a A1 sound. Exclusive driving the better. And we're not gonna stop till the battle is won and we get justice. 'Cause if you lose your stand, exclusive sound is gonna push you over and over. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that feeling that one. Lift up your
bad mind exclusive and then disrespect the people.
Lord of mercy. Exclusive sound on the rough and sound of plain rubber dub in the US of NJ. And I don't care and I don't mind no what no DVD someone want to do or say. Idiot, how will you want to do, how will you want to try? And all the try you want to try me say tonight, Rasta don't tell lie. And all the try you want to try me say tonight you're going to die. Look at your don't say some fine. It goes on to boom boom ba ba ba. For you dance on the other, I ain't so much that's exclusive right to ba ba ba. For you dance on the other, I ain't so much that's exclusive right to come for me. Big man to take a idiot some boy from out of him bed. Take him off and pillar, take him off and spread. Squeeze down the pillar for the idiot head and wake up. From outside there, boom ba ba ba. Boom ba ba ba. And it goes like this again. Jesus Christ. Yeah, 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 yeah. Exclusive. Yeah, yeah, yeah. From exclusive one. No sound never feel in a dance hall. I know you're listening to the world heavyweight champion sound. So like exclusive sound, Big Malcolm, Gary Sharpman, Chris, Damian, Silverfinger, and a man called Squiddly. Yeah, this is the original Brigadier Jerry. Run it with the selector. Jesus Christ, looks so good, Lord of mercy. Exclusive sound on the rough and sound of plain rubber dub in the US of NJ. And I don't give a no man no what no DVD someone want to do or say. Idiot, how will you want to do, how will you want to try? And all the try you want to try me say tonight, Rasta don't tell lie. And all the try you want to try me say tonight you're going to die. But you don't say some fine. It goes to boom boom ba ba ba. For you just sound good. I ain't so much that's exclusive right to ba ba ba. For you just sound good. I ain't so much that's exclusive. I'm an exclusive guys, I'm telling this.
Exclusive sound.
For a late to be over, I wanna know right now what will it be? Exclusive though, 'cause I don't wanna wait. For a late to be over, I wanna know right now what will it be? Exclusive though.
Wilson. They're gonna kill us all, boy. Yes, Chris. How? Yeah. Kill them in the morning sun. Exclusive, kill them until evening come. Yeah. Watching sound boy going down. Exclusive rules, country and time. Yeah. Sitting on the dock of the bay, killing every sound that comes exclusive way. Now, sitting on the dock of the bay, kill every exclusive.
Take up. What? My police.
Mighty King.
The mighty King force. Come on if you take up.
Mighty King Force sound for that. Don't if it blood clot, make a ball if it take up. Mighty King Force sound for that. Don't if it blood clot, make a ball if it take up.
Watch on the bug, you're the wickedest selector in the world. You hear me no father to look spread. You hear me big up on yourself, man. You hear me big up on yourself, man. Mighty King Force, I run things for years and years out of here. No sound, you understand what I'm talking about? How long man shaka shaka up on them case? How them idiot, man, how do them, man? How them come from, man? Sure. Laugh up on them. Taking force away them, you make you beat them so bad. And if they say King Force, then I'm at them must say murder. Put them to the King Force, make him beat them so red. And if they say King Force, I tell them I go there, then they call it a song. They say we sing a symmetry, then they call it a song. They say we kill and bury. They were all the way, they want to this way. And they know say King Force, and you run the country, I just fight. So now fight for them life. Then I tell them I go dead. But them not the force I make him beat them so bad. And I tell the King Force, I'm a them must say man. Them heaping at this and put some sound in a class. Just a few exhibits and them forget right for pass. When the test start, chamba shamba I feel up. Teacher look on a back and say quiet shamba. The first question, the sound with the mountain, the life and the get up under him. Like 7 day cabbage water. With the Prime Minister. Watch on the bug, you're the wickedest selector in the world. You hear me no father to look broad. You hear me big up on yourself, man. You hear me big up on yourself, man. Mighty King Force, I run things for years and years out of here. No sound, you understand what I'm talking about? How long man shaka shaka up on them case? How them idiot, man? How do them, man? Where them come from, man? Sure. Laugh up on them. Fight. Sound a fight for them life. King Force away them, then you make you beat them so bad. And if they say King Force, then I'm at them must say murder. But them do the King Force make him beat them so red. And if they say King Force, I tell them I go there, then they call it a song. They say we sing a symmetry, then they call it a song. They say we kill and bury. They want all the wife, them want to this way. And they know say King Force, and you run the country, I just fight. Sound a fight for them life.
Hey, yeah, one time, space, crazy go, Alicia. Hey, yeah, what's my name? That's motherfucker, nigga, you know. Well, they come from Ghana. How we great Christmas, King Force around that jump and have more than 7. Words for the sun on them body hit them. Turn down the chin, come from the heaven. How we done it on them so far. I'm a sad boom show.
In the judgment sound, you call it Mighty King Force. Alright.
Hey yo, you know it's a big bad Mighty King Force. Hey yo, motherfucking niggas, you know it's war on the gun god. Hey yo, from fucking gun heaven. I want to these motherfucking fools, we kill 7, we kill 11. Motherfucking niggas, you know when they run them rapping. Hey yo, one time for the drums. Hey yo, one time, space, crazy go, Alicia. Hey yo, what's my name for that? That's motherfucking niggas, you know. Well, they come from gun heaven. How we great Christmas, King Force around that jump and have more than 7. Words for the sun on them body hit them. Turn down the chin, come from the heaven. How we done it on them so far to heaven. The way me tell dance and know them can't be forbidden. Words for the sleeping on the church and crazy go Felicia, get on dictionary. When you show up life important and necessary, make it reach them. College, prep school and secondary. How to your tracks, but the more is the baby. Make sure them not very check the whole territory. King Force to tell them they lost you out of every. Mighty King Force sound for that. Dump if it blood clot, make come but if it take up. Mighty King Force, these motherfucking politicians pollute this land. Hey yo, they do more to the people and for the people they're so fucking evil. They crash the economy like a fucking vehicle and treat you like a weevil. Hey yo, one time,
the best of science. One time, mighty name comes. Hey, yo, for the church, they want to jump, blow, grand, box, Spence. Rising over the shop, kept on dictionary. It's important and necessary, make it reach them. College, high school and secondary. Out to your chance, but the more is the merry. They should end up every check, they poor territory. Enforced to tell them they lost the amount of ferry. Lost to them off, it play me like a Tom and Jerry. Election time, them come and check them, but really as I speak momentarily. Full time, them split them up and start to dividing. This is what we say, oh no, take it in fighting. Corruption and that crazy, yeah, it me I like it. Parliament's the company need to be tightened.
I'm saying the boom sound, you know, the judgment sound, you can't.